Hi guys, so I'm starting a new laser cutting series now, and I've just finished a new product, so I'm going to be putting it to the test, cutting out all the pieces and putting it together, and then the file will be available on Etsy shortly, providing it all goes well and it comes out nice. So I've just set up the plywood in the machine, and I'm just going to frame the work area where it's going to cut. Just making sure that it fits on the piece. So the next thing I want to do is just check the distance. I've got my focal length gauge here, and it's all set up. That'll be fine. So I'm going to put the air assist on and the water pump, just give it a minute for the water to circulate through the laser. And then this is the first layer. So I'm going to cut that. Just leave this open slightly, allows the air to come through. Okay, so that's the first layer cut. We have the backing piece now. Again, I'm just going to frame the working area to make sure that it doesn't miss the piece of ply. That looks good to me. And we can start the second layer. Just going to drop this down, take the smoke away. Okay, so that's the next layer cut, and should just pop out. It's a little bit stuck in this corner. That's fine, we can sand that. It's where the table isn't completely flat. Okay, so I've just finished cutting the file now. So this should all come out. All the little pieces. So there we have it. It's not glued down or painted yet, that's just a natural colour. Do this in a darker blue so it shows the trees here further away, and it's only really this part here that's going to be seen, so to save some of my paint I'm just going to spray this. Okay, up next in the foreground we've got this little tree here and also the grass, so we want that nice bright green. Well, I'm going to do it nice bright green, you can do whatever colour you like. Now we've got to paint the bus. You can do this whatever colour you like. I've got some yellow. I want it to be a nice bright colour, so a little Volkswagen badge. So the last things we need to paint are the wooden pieces. It's got a little bit of burn mark around here, but I quite like it. It adds to the depth of the piece. You can always sand this off if you don't like it. Also with this, if you wanted, you could spray the text. You just mask this up first, etch the writing on, spray paint over the top of it, and then you could have that in red again if you wanted it to match that. I'm just going to keep it as is because I quite like the wooden look. So I'm going to just lacquer the wood pieces. So there we have it. I've made 3 different plaques now and the file works great. This one is painted using acrylic paint. This one's got different coloured wood stains, and this one, obviously you saw me do this one with the spray paint. I'm going to be putting this one inside the van, add a bit of colour to the interior. It's a bit beige at the moment, so that should brighten things up a little bit. Yeah, if you want to make one of these, then you can download the file from my Etsy page. Just follow the link in the description below and you'll be able to download it from there. I hope you like this file. If you do make this, I'd love to see how yours came out. You can upload a picture on Etsy, that would be great. Leave a review of what you think. And yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll keep you updated on any new designs. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.